How long can a dog safely be crated at night?
Hello there, pet lovers. Today we're going to explore an important topic for dog owners. How long can a dog safely be crated at night? This is a question often asked by those who are either training their puppy or managing their adult dog's behavior. Let's delve into this topic and make sure we're providing the best care for our furry friends.
Understanding the crate concept.
First and foremost, it's crucial to remember that a crate is not a punishment or a cage. It should be a safe space for your dog, somewhere they can retreat to and feel secure. Crate training can be an effective house training tool and a comforting den for your dog.
Ideal crate duration for different age groups.
Puppies usually have less bladder control, so the crate duration for them is less compared to adults. For a puppy under 6 months, crate duration should be no more than 3 to 4 hours at a time. Puppies aged 6 to 12 months can potentially be crated for up to 5 to 6 hours. Adult dogs over 18 months can be crated for 8 hours, but this should not be the norm. However, these durations are just guidelines, and you should take into account your dog's comfort and health, adjusting these times as needed.
The importance of regular exercise and interaction.
Regardless of your dog's age, it is essential to remember that your dog needs regular exercise and interaction throughout the day. No dog should be crated for a full day and night, regardless of their age or health. Time out of the crate for bathroom breaks, exercise, and social interaction is absolutely necessary.
Making overnight crating safe and comfortable.
If you plan to crate your dog at night, ensure the crate is comfortable and safe. Provide a soft bed, make sure it's clean, and ensure it's free from any objects that could cause harm. Never lock the crate in a way that your dog can't escape in case of an emergency, such as a fire. In conclusion, while it's generally safe to crate your dog overnight, this should be done thoughtfully and responsibly. Your dog's health, comfort, and emotional well-being should always be the priority. Always remember, the crate should be a safe haven, not a prison. We hope this guide helps you provide the best care for your furry friend. Happy pet parenting!